How to track Uber Eats order. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are very glad to have you here. So in this video, we're going to show you on how to effectively track your Uber Eats order. It's a simple process and will guide you through each step. So now let's get started. Open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure that you have installed the latest version. You can go to Play Store and check it. Also make sure that you have logged in with your specific account. After signing in, look for the section labeled as Orders. That is in the bottom right corner of the screen, just between the Browse and Account option. Tap on it. Here you can find a list of all your recent orders. Select the order you want to track and then you will see the option to track its progress. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to track your Uber Eats order like a pro. So thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.